Hi all, welcome to the lecture series of Department of Robotics and Automation. This is Dr. M.S. Suresh Kumar delivering a lecture on the methodologies of method study. Work study involves method study and work measurement. A method study is the process wherein you find the best way of doing a particular job which is economically feasible and it has got good productivity. Work measurement is the module where you will find the best time for performing a particular job. These two operations are being carried out for increasing the productivity. So it will help the profitability of the concern. So method study involves the following steps. One is select. First is select, wherein you try to select the job for which you need to record and examine. Record is the next step, wherein you are trying to find out how this process is happening. For that, we have got many recording techniques that will be presented in the next slide. And after recording is done, then examine whether the process followed is highly productive in nature, wherein any waste movements is there, unnecessarily time wastage is there, waiting time is there. All that mundane jobs are being eliminated, and you find out the best, make the required alterations and find out the best method, develop the best method, and after that you try to install the method, and after installation is been done, try to maintain it for the productivity expected. So the recording techniques involves the following tools. We have diagrams, flow diagram, string diagram, and charts are there, that is cyclograph and chronocyclograph. And we have motion studies, which involves micro motion charts, SIMO chart, that is simultaneous motion analysis charts. And for macro motion charts, we have operations process chart, flow process chart, and two-handed process chart, and multiple activity chart. These are all the tools which is used to record, and after recording is done, you need to examine and find out and do the proper required alterations, and finally find out the develop the best method of performing the job. Thank you.